Sometimes you need a USB-C docking station that's also a laptop and tablet stand. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at a USB-C docking station that's also a laptop and tablet stand. This is an amazing product from the brand Mukiya, and this is our first time working with them. So, as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. This is the USB-C docking station and stand from Mukiya right here. This thing looks awesome. It's going to be fun to try out. USB-C hub 8-in-1 laptop stand. Like I said, it works on laptops and on tablets. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. One of the first things you see in the box is this USB-C hub user manual right here. It's just going to explain how to get the most out of this, as well as just information on how to contact them. So very cool, important, keep it. The next thing we're going to see is the stand itself, but guess what's in this sweet travel case? So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and open that up. Looks like we got a USB-C to C cable inside of there, and this is typically the host cable. As you'll notice, it's a little thicker, and that's because it has higher power and data transfer rates. So super important, keep this. And then we have the stand itself, and wow, look at this thing. This is very, very cool. This is super cool, super fun. Did you hear that? It clicked into place. Wow. And you'll see those little flaps there. So it's like this. So listen. Very, very cool. So right there's your stand. You'll set that out and you'll put your device on it right there with your little flip outs, and you are pretty much good to go. Here on the side are our ports. We got an HDMI cable. We got two USB-A cables. We got an HDMI cable. We got two USB-A cables. We've got a TF card reader. Look at that micro SD card slot. We've got Generation 1 USB-C, power USB-C, and your monitor USB-C. But keep in mind, this one right here is going to be the host cable. But wow, this thing is super slim, super cool, super easy to transport. Huge fan already. Let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out. This is the Mukiya USB-C laptop docking station stand. Mukiya's USB-C docking station stand is a lightweight and foldable laptop stand that safely supports laptops from 10 to 17 inches and features 8 integrated ports for all your connectivity needs. This station is going to work with USB-C for Mac OS and Windows laptops, and it's equipped with a 4K HDMI, 2 USB 3.0s up to 5 gigs, 1 USB-C power port 3.0, 1 USB-C data port, and 1 SD and 1 TF slot. It perfectly combines the functions of a USB-C dock and a laptop stand, making it the best choice for your USB-C laptop. 4K HDMI docking station, you can use this universal laptop docking stand to mirror or expand your MacBook or Windows laptop to a larger high-resolution display. The resolution can reach up to 4K UHD at 30 Hz, so it's perfect for those that need to deal with an Ultra HD image and video output task. Super speed data transfer and 85-watt power delivery, the portable laptop dock stand with 2 USB ports can data transfer up to 5 gigs per second, allowing you to transfer files quickly. Also connect a keyboard or a mouse or a flash drive or a hard drive to your MacBook Pro or Dell or HP laptops. The TF card slots for superior data storing, versatility at a fast transfer rate up to 480 megabytes per second, and the SD transfer slot goes up to 25 megs. And keep in mind the power charging port supports 100 watts of max power delivery, and that'll give you a max 85 watts charge to your laptop. Ergonomic design laptop stand. The upgraded laptop docking station features 9 levels of adjustment, allowing you to choose the perfect angle for your posture and body type. So you can get rid of that tension in your neck pain or back pain or even eye fatigue, making your work more comfortable and keeping you healthy. The non-slip silicone pad on the stand can help fix your laptop in place and protect your device from scratches and slipping. Plus, it'll give you more airflow to keep your laptop nice and cool. It's portable and lightweight docking station, so it's crafted from premium aluminum alloy. This docking station stand effortlessly supports laptops up to 40 pounds without any bounce or wobble. And this multi-port adapter stand is compact and lightweight and can be folded into a size of 10.5 inches by 2.2 inches by 0.9 inches, and it only weighs 0.7 pounds. So this thing's going to fit perfect in a little storage baggie, and you can take it with you on the go and on business trips. I gotta say, Mukiya,
Great job.
As I mentioned before, this is our first time working with Mukiya, and I gotta say, this thing is awesome. You guys know we reviewed tons of USB-C docking stations, and we reviewed a couple of stands, but we've reviewed very few docks and stands combined. It's nice, it's super nice. We want to give a huge shout out to Mukiya for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.